Why is your Ring doorbell flashing blue? So instead of a single explanation, most of the time the meaning of the blue flash can just be normal, but we're gonna explain most of them. So the first one is when your Ring doorbell flashes blue on a moving upward motion. So if the flashing blue light starts at the bottom of the ring and flashes upwards, your doorbell is trying to connect to a network. The next one is if your doorbell flashes 4 times. So once the camera is successfully set up and ready to use, you'll see it flash blue multiple times. Another is when your camera is on a solid blue light. The light pretty much says that the speaker is enabled. The next one would be a flashing blue circle. So if the flashes occur in 1 second intervals, your Ring doorbell is pretty much just booting up. So you'll also notice this flashing blue light after you update your Ring's devices firmware. And if you've just installed a Ring Doorbell Pro and notice a flashing blue light, it's most likely just charging. So you need to wait for it to finish charging before you continue the setup process. The next one would be a rapid flashing light. So basically the light is flashing on and off. So this pretty much means the Ring device has been reset to the default factory settings. And for the next ones, which should look something like this over here, we're gonna show it like so. So this is a top half that is flashing blue. So top half flashing. During setup, this means that you entered the wrong password or there are other Wi-Fi connection issues. You can fix this by re-entering the Wi-Fi password though, or selecting a different network, and of course getting it right on that one. And after setup, the top half will flash blue to show that it is charging. And finally, one more over here, which would be a spinning blue light. So basically, it's not actually gonna look like this, but it's going like so, it's spinning around in a clockwise, I suppose, but as long as it's spinning. So when it does that, this pretty much means someone pushed the doorbell button and it's pretty much just normal behavior. But those are a few reasons why your Ring doorbell is flashing a blue light. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.